So we are at the Peterborough Drive Test Center. So I'm leaving from here. So you have to drive on your side. Here examiner will ask you to turn right. So you have to turn on your signal. Complete stop here. Scan both sides. When it's safe to do, finish your turn. Speed limit is 50 here. Go at 50. Keep checking your mirror every 5 to 8 seconds. Upcoming traffic light, examiner will ask you to turn left, so you have to stay near to the yellow lane and you have to turn on your signal. One car distance. We are at the Queensway Street, and we are gonna go to the Parkway. Finish your turn and come back to the right lane, because we drive in a driving lane when it's safe to do. Speed limit is 60 here. So examiner will ask you to switch lane to the left when it's safe to do. So check your mirror, give signal, check your blind spot, and change lane when it's safe to do. Scan both sides. Whenever you pass any green light, you have to scan both sides. So while driving, you have to keep 3 to 4 car distance from the car in front of you. Now we are going to the ramp for highway. So it starts from here. So you have to drive according to the road condition, according to the traffic flow. And once your way is clear, you can hit 100. first go at 100 and then do the merging. So again, mirror, signal, blind spot. Examiner will ask you to do the lane change here. If you're able to do it, when it's safe to do it. And then he will say come back to the right lane when it's safe to do. So again, mirror, signal, blind spot, and come back to the right lane. Then they will say to exit from here. So keep going at the same speed and take exit and cancel your signal. So exit 49 they will ask you to take. Keep going at the same speed 100, and from here when you're able to see the road sign, the speed sign is 70, you can start reducing your speed. At upcoming stop sign, examiner will ask you to turn left. So here you have to give signal. Come to complete stop. Count 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Scan both sides. When it's safe to do, move car. Speed limit is 80 here, but you can go at 60 or 70, not more than that. Then they will ask you to take exit towards east. So recommended speed is 40, so go at 40. Once your car is straight, you can speed up. Hit 100 first and then do the merging. Mirror, signal, blind spot. They will ask you to do the lane change. So again, mirror, signal, blind spot when it's safe to do. And they will say come back to the right lane when it's safe to do. So you have to come back to the right lane. So when we drive on highway, we try to keep 5 to 6 car distance from the car in front of us. They will ask you to take exit from here. Exit 51, and speed limit is 60 here, so it's a recommended speed. If you can control your car at 70, 60 or 50, you have to go on that speed. Or if there is a car in front of you and they're driving slow, or you have to drive according to that. So we are going from 1 lane to 2 lanes, so you have to stay on the right lane and go at the speed that you can control the car. Here, examiner will ask you to go straight, scan both sides. Then they will say switch lane to the right when it's safe to do. You have to switch lane to the right. And they will ask to take right at the traffic light. So we will give signal. Speed limit is 60 here on this road. And now we are turning right. Check your blind spot. So recommended speed is 30 here because it's a sharp turn. So go at 30. Now we can see that the speed limit is 50 here. So go at 50. Make sure that you will maintain the distance as well. If you have to drive at 45, you have to drive at 45 because you have to maintain the distance as well from the car in front of you. is 50 here. Keep checking your mirror every 5 to 8 seconds. So they will ask you to turn left at the upcoming street, so you have to give signal. So it's Erin Avenue, and finish your turn. Speed limit is 50 here. Then they will say go to the yield sign, and from there we have to go straight. So you have to go to the yield sign here, check on left side if any car is coming or not. If not, you have to move the car without any stop, and then they will ask you to turn left here. So don't speed up here, just go slow and turn to your side. Stay on your side, keep eye on pedestrian and other vehicles as well. And they will ask you to do the parking here.